Hello, this is Patrick from XPression. I'd like to show you a new feature in XPression 8.7 and higher, an animated preview inside the sequence windows. I'm working inside of Sequencer on my XPression, and you can see that I've got a take ID highlighted inside of my sequence list. And if you look down on my preview window, you can see that I've got a preview graphic for a lower third, and it's been built with a preview only image. So I see, for example, an anchor to give me some idea how this graphic is supposed to be used, and it gives me some balance as I try to look at the composition. But you'll notice also there's now transport controls here. So if I click on the play button, what you'll notice is the preview image will go away, and then that lower third will animate in, and you can see that it will continue to play. For example, it's got a continuous animation pulling some objects through the back plate of the lower third bar. And you'll also notice that the preview keyable background is not showing because I'm actually seeing a video output concept here. If I click the stop button, you'll see it animate out, and it will go back to my preview image. If I click the play button again, you'll see it'll animate in, and if I click it again, I'll get that same animate in, and you can even see that it's telling me that it's preparing and I'm getting the take and the online. It's telling me that's what's happening in my preview. That's not what's coming to output. If I want to play this using my keyboard instead of playing it with the mouse, if I reach up on the number pad between the take online or minus button, and the swap key or the backslash button, there's an asterisk. If I press the asterisk, guess what? There's my animated preview. I don't have a stop button, but I do have the ability to hit, for example, the Q button, and that brings it back online ready to go. And you can see in my Take ID sequencer is already queued in the sequence playlist. So this is a great new way to get yourself the ability to see what this graphic looks like, to check it, to verify what you're expecting to happen will happen, and check it before you send it to output.